Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you an easy way to find your Windows 10 product key using the registry editor. First, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Then type regedit and click OK. This will open the Windows 10 registry editor where all your system settings are stored. Next, we need to go to the Software Protection Platform folder. Navigate to this path, Computer, then HKEY underscore local underscore machine, followed by software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, and finally, software protection platform. Once you're in the software protection platform folder, look for a key called backup product key default. Your Windows 10 product key will be shown under the data column on the right. And that's it. You've successfully located your Windows 10 product key using the registry editor. Make sure to save it somewhere safe for future use.